Hi, my name is Regina Seguin, and I'm a librarian at Valencia's West Campus Library. In this video, I'll introduce you to some library services and resources that support your program. To begin, log into Atlas and click on Search the Library. I've put together a research guide for students in the Network Engineering Technology programs, which you can find by clicking on Research Guides. Select Engineering, then Network Engineering Technology. Featured in the research guide are library books and ebooks on topics covered in the program. This is just a selection of the many books and ebooks the library has. They include further reading to enrich understanding of a topic, software guidebooks, and hands-on cookbooks for project ideas and practice. To access an ebook, just click on the link. To find a print book, visit the library, which is in Building 6 on the West Campus. A librarian can help you locate your book. Bring your student ID card to check it out. Did you know you can borrow up to 25 items at a time? The Study Resources box contains other resources that generally support your studies. The Textbooks tab lets you search our Course Reserves collection for your textbook. If your textbook is on reserve, you can usually use it for a couple of hours in the library. Also, be sure to check whether we have your textbook in an ebook format. While we don't have every textbook, we do have some of them available as ebooks. The library checks out devices, including laptops and tablets, for up to 7 days at a time. Test prep books are popular. If you're working toward a professional certification, there's a good chance the library has a book or ebook to help you study. The library also provides free access to subscription-based professional journals and magazines in your field, which you can access through online library databases. Tabs in the Career Resources box point you to helpful websites and library databases where you can research education requirements, job opportunities, potential salaries, and job-seeking strategies. Finally, the library has industry-specific resources for writing papers and developing presentations. I look forward to seeing you in the library, where you can meet with a librarian anytime to learn more about finding, evaluating, or presenting information. These research and communication skills are important and marketable job skills, in addition to your technical knowledge. My contact information can be found to the right. I encourage you to reach out to me, especially if there's a resource you need to find or one you would like to request. Thanks for watching this video introduction to library resources and services for your program.